How to update WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can update the WhatsApp Messenger app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You might be facing issues with the WhatsApp app, hence this is the reason why you might want to update it, or you might just want to get the latest features. Now to do this, first of all, just make sure that you're connected to an internet connection, which could be a Wi-Fi or cellular data, depending upon whatever else you use. Once you've done that, simply head over to your Play Store if you're on Android. If you're on iOS, head over to your App Store and make sure to search for WhatsApp Messenger app. When you search for WhatsApp Messenger, over here you'll be able to find the update button if the app requires an update. So if it says update, tap on it to update it to the latest version. If it says open, it means that your app is already updated to the latest version and there's really no need for you to update it. This way you can choose to update WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.